Hello, today I'm gonna be doing some press-on nails again. Lately, press-on nails have been my favorite because I can wear permanent nails on my 9 to 5 job. So press-ons are perfect when I want to go out and I have an occasion, a special occasion. I just touch them quickly with the sticky tabs. If you do it properly, they will last you during the whole event. So what I was doing here, I was prepping my press-on nails for application. I just popped the shine from the nail tips and I went ahead with this beautiful color from Model Ones. Right now I collected a few bottles from my collection, the ones that were almost finished, and I created a design with all the colors that were almost finished because I just wanted to finish all the bottles. And this is what I have. This is the colors that I'm almost finishing. So I really improvised this set a lot today. I didn't have a plan. And this one I'm gonna be using a white gel polish from Amazon. The brand is Alisa. And I'm gonna be doing some accent with the white, and I'm gonna be creating like a coquette design with the bow and some rhinestones. So stay tuned. When doing press-on nails, you are going to need a few items, starting with a nail stand. You're gonna have to get some nail tips, and of course you're gonna need some gel polish. I mean, you can do press-on nails as well with regular nail polish, and that one will air dry, so you will have to wait until it's completely dry before you apply the next layer. The advantage of using gel polish is that you can use the LED UV lamp just to cure it or dry it, and it's faster, of course. And as well, the gel polish will give the nail tips a little bit more strength than the regular nail polish, but for sure you can do press-on nails with a regular nail polish, the one that just air dry. And here I am creating this design and creating like a U shape, and then I'm gonna fill in the size, and I'm gonna be applying a cute bow in the middle of the nail.